JT is working out in the garage right now and he's doing, I think, his like rower machine, and it's great. The guy is going really hard. Like the guy in the screen who's talking to him is definitely doing the workout, because the amount of like intensive breathing I hear that's not JT is unreal. I wish you guys could hear it. Anyway, he's going off right now. He's working out and I'm going to bake. I'm so annoying, but you can hear him better now. Listen. 40 seconds of your life. You guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. Just happy day. Happy day. I got myself a coffee. This might be a bad idea because I have really not ate anything and I'm about to bake, but I'm just like not hungry yet. I've only had a little bit of overnight oats and now my coffee, but I'm going to bake some goodies for you guys because I feel like some of the questions I've been getting is what healthy alternative baking stuff can I make? And I totally get that. I have a strong sweet tooth as well. Dark chocolate is usually my game, but when I actually take the time to bake some things, like, oh, so good. And to be honest, my palate has changed so much that when I eat like regular baking stuff, sometimes it's so rich or too sweet for me and too sugary that now when I make these, like, I am hyped. It like tastes so good. And I'm not just saying that, JT agrees. And he has a bigger sweet tooth than me. Literally, look at this bug. Baby, perfect timing. I was just gonna share. This is when I first met JT. This is Justin's cooking on it. When I first met him, he loved to bake. I think on our when I stayed with him one time, we literally woke up and would like bake things, or he would, and I would just help him.
It's actually really good for me to see.
What is it?
This was my meal plan when I was playing.
Oh wow.
I want to show that to Haley.
But it's literally like paleo Reese's, almond butter protein bites, gluten-free
I'm
products.
a legit baker.
He was a legit baker. You really were. Like he hands down is a better baker than me. I think I'm a better cook, but you for sure are a better baker. Protein balls. JT was a really big start of me enjoying protein balls. These are Snickerdoodle protein balls.
Wow.
Baby.
Are you baking someday?
I am. So, anywho, what I was entailing, but yes, JT used to be quite the baker. I actually think I might pull a recipe from there. But I'm gonna give you guys I think I'm gonna do 3 different baking goods. I'm gonna do one of my favorite chocolate chip cookies. I baked them the other night and people were telling me that they were the best cookies we've ever had. Baby, didn't everyone love the cookies the other night?
Yeah, they were amazing. And
then I think I'm gonna bake a recipe I've never tried before, or I might dive into JT's baking binder. But they're from my girlfriend, or you guys also know, Gathered Nutrition. She posted these like brownies with this like frosting on top that looked unbelievable, and brownies are by far my favorite. But I might dive into that. And then lastly, I am gonna make some protein balls because those are really great for the week to actually have a little bit more of like an energy ball with really yummy and tasty things in it. So I'm gonna take you guys along for that little journey. Let me know in the comments if you are trying to change to a healthy lifestyle. What is going on right now? Like, what are you feeling? How is it? What are you running into? Are you getting burnt out? Like, what are the things that you feel like you're tapping into while you're on this journey? Because let's just say, I know it's a journey. But on another quick note before we get to baking, I got a Thrive Market box, which you guys know I love them and grateful for them being a part of this video. So if you guys don't know what Thrive Market is, it's an online grocery store with all of your favorite natural foods and organic brands. Pretty much those brands that are the best for you, but sometimes can be a little bit pricey. So what Thrive Market does is you buy a membership from them. So it's either a yearly or a monthly membership. I wanted to show you guys quickly that you can see the different memberships. This is the monthly membership, which is $9.95, or you can do the yearly, which comes out to $5 a month. I'm on the yearly. I find it super convenient to come back to find all of my favorite brands. And what they do is they have products on their site that they sell lower than the traditional retail price. So you're just getting them more at wholesale prices. They actually like to say match our price. So if you find a product that is sold somewhere else that for a better price than they have on their site, they will match it. So they're just like trying to give you the best deals and live your healthiest lifestyle, but not by spending the most amount of money, which I really appreciate. They're like really actually trying to help us be able to reach those really amazing brands that are doing it right, but get them at better prices by being a part of the membership. So I haven't seen any better prices than being on Thrive. That's why I'm just so for them. But they also go in all different categories. So besides having them in like the grocery aisle, which I have a lot of, they also have like cleaning supplies, pet supplies. We're getting a dog soon, so you know I'm already in that area. They have a lot of different areas to shop from, toiletries, like a lot of different things with those well-known brands. So check it out. I am going to link it below for y'all. And when you join Thrive, it gets you 40% off your first order and a free gift. So I will link that below. Let me know if you guys have tried it or are already trying it. I like to buy things in bulk too. They have like a lot of big things and I refill all of my necessities. Y'all, first off, I keep saying y'all, but you guys, I am emotional today. I was watching wedding content this morning and like truly tears were brought to my eyes. JT and I actually did just meet with our wedding planner yesterday. Oh, my heart. Okay, wait, what do I need real quick? What do I need? I'm gonna bake the cookies first. Yes, I am. So let me grab the ingredients. Okay, so I met with a wedding planner yesterday. She is amazing. She's from Santa Barbara, and JT and I, like our 3 places we possibly want to get married is Santa Barbara, Ojai, or Palm Springs, and she is like literally mastered all of those areas, so we were very excited about that. I loved her vibe, and that was like the #1 thing that we wanted to check in to make sure we loved her and her vibe, and we absolutely did. I mean, I feel like I just want the person next to me in this journey to be someone that I get the best vibes from, has, I don't know, just has a good vibe, like a good, like, I just want to hang out with you and hug you. That's the vibe I got from her. So JT and I are taking this wedding planning process insanely slow, but it felt nice to find someone that is going to grow with us on this little journey. And our #1 thing we're gonna start to look at is wedding venues. So I can't even believe I'm saying that out loud. Whew. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to make is vegan chocolate chip cookies. I think this is a super easy and go-to, like if you're feeling like you need a dessert, I got you. The amount of time this whole thing takes is about 15 minutes. It bakes for 9 minutes and it takes me about 5 minutes to put together. So it's super quick, but super freaking tasty. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna get to it. To get things going, you'll want to turn on your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to do this first so then I can bake and then the oven is ready. Now you're gonna add the wet ingredients into the dry bowl. Once you start mixing the ingredients, you will see this wet consistency like a cookie dough come about. It is going to be more of a gooey consistency than some cookie dough, but you want that. Then you're gonna add in the chocolate chips, my favorite part. Once it is all mixed together, you will then roll your dough just like you would any cookie dough into some nice balls. It will bake from 9 to 11 minutes. I like mine at a gooier consistency, so I'll do about 9 to 10 minutes. All right, so cookies are out and they're gonna cool. Now I'm going to make the protein balls. These are probably the easiest thing you could make on a weekly basis. They're really great when you have a sweet tooth, and then they also have good ingredients in them. And also, protein bowls, you can literally make your own 40 different ways. So if you're like, I kind of like that, or I kind of want to switch it up and add cinnamon to make it more of like a snickerdoodle protein ball, or I like more coconut, I'm gonna add more coconut into this one. Protein balls are really your jam. As long as you have the base, you can really add in other things. So I'm just gonna make my like super simple generic like chocolate chip with cashew butter. I usually do peanut butter protein balls, but I'm actually haven't really ate peanut butter in a really long time. It was one of the ingredients that I researched saying it could cause breakouts or inflammation. So I just honestly don't go near peanut butter because my skin is so sensitive. Also, oddly, I see my skin sometimes get inflamed when I have honey. So I'm actually gonna use maple syrup today. So again, you make this what you wanna make it. These are so simple, and like you'll be pumped when you go to the fridge and you have these in there. For the protein balls, you'll see me adding the dry ingredients into one bowl. Also, I'm using collagen and protein powder. This is totally up to you. I just like to add extra protein so that these can give me energy, and that extra protein as a snack or a dessert. Totally up to you. Once you mix it all together, it should be able to form into a ball, and you want to make sure that it's not too flaky or breaky because it's got to stay within that ball form. So if you need to add any more liquids, you could add a little bit of almond milk or might need some more nut butter. Once you form the balls, then you will put them into the refrigerator. I like to leave them in for about an hour before I dive in and actually eat them, and then they're good to go. All right, I'm gonna do a little taste test to the cookies, even though I know they're fire because I already ate them this week. So something about these, you'll see, they're like so gooey that almost too, I wanna try half of the batch refrigerating it and this batch leave really gooey. I mean, you guys, it's like, it literally just like, it's gooey. That's the point of these. They're called gooey chocolate chip cookies from my girl, Nicole. But I really do wanna try refrigerating them and seeing them if I like them harder as well. They're stupid. They're stupid. They're so good. And then let's check on the protein balls. I'm just eating all of it before. JT's gonna be mad at me. He says I always eat the dessert before I give it to him. I have to get all the flavors. Literally so good. Like, this is the fix you need when you're craving something sweet, but actually gives you protein in there, there's flaxseed in there, all the ingredients I mentioned. Yes, there's like some sweetness in there that you just need, but I think the hard part for a lot of people with these is not eating a trillion of them, because you can, all of a sudden you just see yourself and you're just like going off. This is the first time I've made it with cashew butter, and I actually am such a fan. The consistency is perfect. Cashew butter isn't as strong tasting as peanut butter, but I love cashew butter so much. Okay, putting these back in the fridge. I'm impressed with myself. Okay, so I was gonna make one more dessert, but this is where I failed, you guys. On Gather Nutrition's list of how this works, which you should always read the instructions first, and here's why. On there, on the brownies I was gonna make, it literally says you need to refrigerate your coconut milk for 6 hours before you use it. So this is what I'm talking about. I get these from Thrive as well. It's like really thick, so it's not like coconut milk that you buy in a carton. I love using these for overnight oats. They just have a thicker consistency, but she writes like you need to let it sit for 6 hours before you use it because it needs to get even thicker and separate from the water. Well, I failed. I didn't read that. So this has probably been in there for 2 hours. And you guys, I just don't think I have all day to wait 6 hours to then bake. So I will have to do this recipe. I think I'm gonna make it, obviously, because I have all the ingredients. I'm gonna make it this week on Instagram or maybe even on TikTok and show it there because your girl don't got time for that. So here are two, one's like a dessert and one's dessert slash protein balls that you can make. So easy. Again, prep time, quick, cook time, quick, which I love. So try these. Let me know what you guys think. I will also link the exact recipe below. Obviously, my girls created these recipes, so shout out to them for sharing it with me. So grateful. And you guys, as always, let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments below. So grateful for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.